Mic check, mic check. All right, we're good to go, huh? I hope we're good to go. Yeah. What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. This your boy Tank be chopping. Back with another video. Check it out. We got another package in from Monster Clippers. So we finna unbox this package. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like this video, subscribe, share with all your friends, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into this package right here. Let's go. All right, so as y'all can see, we got a big box. I ain't gonna lie, I opened it yesterday. I was excited about it. Shout out to Monster Clippers, man. They sent your boy a little care package. Let's see what else we got in here. Bunch of paper, we don't need that. All right, so check it out. They sent your boy some hats. OMG, we created a Monster hat. We got a Monster Clippers hat in there also. Let's move that to the side. What else we got in here? Check it out. We got some styling brushes. A bunch of little brushes, man. Once again, shout out Monster Clippers. We got a little bag in here. Let's open this up real quick. Check it out. We got a bag for like shears and combs. You want to put your shears in, some combs, razor blade. Man, we got like a little tool bag looking thing right here. Let's open this up. Yeah, so you open it up, as you can see. Well, I don't know if y'all can see it, but you can put your clippers in here, and then you can place that other bag in here also. Cool little traveling bag if you're just taking, you know, 1 or 2 clippers and whatnot. Let's go ahead and zip this up, put this back to the side. We ain't looking at that really. We got some hair grippers. We got some monster combs. You know what I'm saying? If you want to do some clipper over comb work, you can use these right here. We got a black monster comb also. Chunk that to the side. And then we got a monster cape. It just says monster all over it in black. You really can't see because it's in the packaging. But nonetheless, look, check it out. This is probably what y'all interested to see. Oh, let me hold this properly. Right here. Monster Clippers, we got a trimmer in here, high power vector motor with responsive torque control, the Cerberus, I'm acting like Floyd Mayweather, like I can't read. The Cerberus trimmer right here, check that out. And then we got the clipper also. But let's go ahead and open up the trimmer first. So we're gonna open, well, let's check out some of the specs on it. Lithium ion, 120-minute charge time, 120-minute run time, high torque, 10,000 RPM vector motor, metal bottom housing for less vibration and noise. You can run it corded or cordless, extra wide T-shaped double DLC blades, adjustable zero gap so you can zero gap it, mini USB charging, compact size. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, man. So check it out. This is what comes in. We got the Cerberus right here, or the Cerberus, however you want to pronounce it. All right, let's go ahead and get this trimmer out of here. Check it out, guys. Here is the trimmer, the Cerberus. Take the little cap off. It's actually kind of heavy. Sounds super quiet though. Motor feels, you know, it's got metal housing on it, so it feels really sturdy. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't feel cheap, doesn't feel too plasticky. got the double DLC blade on there with the Monster. Let's see if it will focus. With the Monster branding on it. Once again, that's it on. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Super quiet motor. All right. So check it out, man. We got a little thumb grip right here. We do have the charging port down here, the mini USB in the back in case you do want to charge it with the mini USB. But yeah, man, that's the trimmer. Check it out one more time. Looks nice, you know, nice and black. You know, your boy be rocking with the all black tool, so I'm rocking with that. That's pretty dope. But let's check what else comes in this box. So we also get the charging dock right here. We get different thumb plates, so if you want to make it see-through, gold, you know, like different types of gold. There's like a shiny gold, matte gold, but we got a couple different thumb plates for that. We also get a charging dock, or I'm sorry, a charger, but since this is from overseas, the charger's a little different. But your boy's got a bunch of chargers, so I'm sure one will work for this. We got the mini USB charging in case we need that, some oil, and then we also get a screwdriver. Let's go ahead and open up the bottom portion of this box so we can see what comes underneath. So we open it up, and all we have is the Cerberus manual. Chunk that back in there. You know, your boy ain't gonna use that. But let's go ahead and put this stuff back in here. That way we can open up the clipper.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Check it out. Here is the Cerberus Clipper from Monster Clippers. High power vector motor with responsive torque control. So basically what that means is when it gets through thicker hair, it's going to speed up a little bit. The motor going to speed up, and it's going to help you cut through that thicker hair. 120-minute charge time, 180-minute run time, high torque, 9,000 RPM vector motor, metal custom click lever or freestyle lever. If you want a floating lever, you can't put that on here. Metal bottom housing for less vibration and less noise. You can run it corded or cordless, double DLC hybrid blade, 10 premium double magnetic cutting guards, adjustable zero gap, mini USB, and compact size. So let's go ahead and open this up. Check this out. Here's the Cerberus clipper. Go ahead and get this clipper out of here. Let's show y'all the hardware first. So check it out. Nice and compact, as y'all can see. We got the Monster Clipper branding in the back. Looks like a Fusion Vapor type blade on it. We got the charging port down here. We got the thumb groove right here. It looks real similar to the trimmer, actually. It looks very similar to the trimmer, as y'all can see. We got the Monster Clipper branding right here, on and off switch. Let's turn it on for y'all. Feels powerful, it's nice and quiet. Got a nice hum, nice vibration to it. The click lever is actually a solid click lever. Like, it feels really good. Like, the clipper itself actually feels really good, man. But let's go ahead and put this to the side. Let's see what else comes in this box. So we do get some monster guards in here. I'm not even gonna open those because honestly, I got a bunch of guards that I use the same guards anyways, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna open a new pack. But then check it out. We also get a charging dock, as y'all can see right here. And then as y'all can see, we get the charging adapter, we get a screwdriver, a mini USB cord. Let's go ahead and take this off. Move that out the way, and then we get different, same thing, different thumb plates for the clipper, a couple different levers on there if you want to switch the lever from regular to floating or change the color of the levers. I'm going to leave it the way it comes. And then we get the manual also that, you know, your boy ain't going to look at, so I'm going to leave that in there. But check it out, man. Once again, here is the Cerberus clipper and trimmer. Here's the clipper, here's the trimmer. Both small and compact. tools, as y'all can see. They got some nice weight to them. They're a little heavier than what I'm used to right now, but you know, not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the trimmer for y'all again. Nice hum to it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the clipper for y'all. You know what it is, man. We're gonna put these things to work, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about them. Let's go.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the new Monster Cerberus clipper and the new Monster Cerberus trimmer. And I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all guys, I did enjoy using these. I do like the metal body in both the clipper and the trimmer. It feels really sturdy and really reliable when you're using them, you know what I'm saying? Now as far as like performance though, I ain't gonna lie, man, they perform almost identically to the Stylecraft Instincts, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see, it is a small compact clipper, so it does remind me of the Instincts, and like I said, while using it, it really performed almost identical to the Instinct. And then the same thing with the trimmer, looks really similar to the Instinct trimmer and pretty much performs just like it. Now, there were some differences as far as ergonomics on this one. I wouldn't say I like it better or worse. It just feels different in the hand, and I think that has a lot to do with the metal body of it and just the shape of it. You know, it is a slightly different shape, but I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, I enjoyed using it. As you can see, we do have the click levers on the clipper. Me personally, I have been using clippers with longer levers, so it took me, you know, not that it took me a while to adjust. It was a little different fading with this clipper. And not that it was bad, it was just different. You know what I'm saying? I haven't faded with the clipper with an original, you know, a regular lever in a minute. You know what I'm saying? I've been using my stretch lever, so it just took me a little bit to adjust. But other than that, like I said, man, it worked really well. When it came to debulking, debulked well. When it came to fading, it blended well. But you know, that's got a little bit to do with the barber. You know what I'm saying? Like your boy can use almost any clipper on the market right now. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but toot toot, you know what I'm saying? Nah, but on a serious note, you know, if you're a barber and you're good with almost any tools, you can use these no problem. Now, some people are asking me how are they going to be working for beginners? And I think it's a solid tool to begin with. Whether you're a rookie barber or you've been doing this for a minute, I think it's a pretty good tool. As I showed y'all earlier in the video, we do got that on and off switch right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on for y'all. As y'all can hear, we got a nice hum to it, and the light does start blinking when it's gonna die. And then one thing that I did like about this clipper is it does have a USB mini charging port right here. I have a bunch of stuff on my station, so when I have the ports to charge, like whether it be USB-C or USB or a mini USB, I can use those because I have those on my station for my phones and my clients' phones and stuff. So I really like that they had that. It does come with a blade that's similar to the Stylecraft Fusion blade or the Faber blade, whatever you want to call it. Really similar to that. And all in all, man, once again, I will say that this is a good tool. Now, moving on to the trimmer. Once again, guys, here is the trimmer, the Cerberus trimmer. We got the Monster branding on the blade. We got the on and off button right here in the middle. Turn it on also. Nice hum to it, man. Honestly, man, both of these tools feel really powerful when you turn these things on. Same thing with the trimmer, though. We do have the USB mini, micro, whatever you want to call it. Last time, I think I said USB mini, and y'all was coming at me in the comments. I think it's like micro USB, but y'all know what I mean, man. Let's not get too technical here. You know what I'm saying? But Micro USB charging in the back right here, and then we do have the regular charging port right here. I ain't even gonna lie, I didn't even use this charger. I just used the micro USB. But all in all, man, I would say this performs almost just like the Instinct trimmer, except for I think my Instinct trimmers line up a little better. Well, my Instinct trimmers are like top tier, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's the way they came gapped or whatever, but them things are top tier. Not that these aren't, they're just not, they don't line up and bald as short as my other trimmers do. But once again, that may just be because I need a zero gap the tool and I use this straight out the box. But all in all, man, when it came to lining, ate through the hair. When it came to balding, melted the hair, you know what I'm saying? So all in all, I would also say that this trimmer is a good tool. Now, I'm not 100% sure on the price, but I will make sure to put the price on the screen along with the website. That way, if you are interested in the Monster Cerberus clipper and trimmer, you can go to their website and cop them. I do believe they may have these on Amazon, not 100% sure, but y'all can always just check Amazon if you're not sure. But with that being said, man, like I said, pretty solid combo right here. The Monster Clippers Cerberus clipper and trimmer combo. All in all, you know, nice tools. As you can see, the shape, they're small and they're compact, and they work well, man. And that's really all I gotta say. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.